Well, we're out here, Provo Canyon. I was wanting to go to Bridal Veil Falls. Not sure if we're going to be able to make that or not, because they've blocked all this off. So I can't drive. There's the road that I need to drive down there. It's saying something like a 5-mile walk. I'm not really interested in walking 5 miles. Not to mention, there's so much beauty here to show you that I would just run out of minutes and time on my camera. But we're gonna see what we can do. I will definitely have to come back out here when I know they're open. I didn't know they were gonna be closed. Still a pretty walk though. The river's right down here. You can kind of see the river there. I'm going to try to get to a better vantage point of it though. Some little spots to set up and cook out. Well, how you're gonna get back here, I don't know. There's the river. That sure does look nice and refreshing. And it's probably extremely cold. I'm not too interested in getting in cold water. Looks like a nice manzanita tree there too. Now let's head a little farther. A little farther in. See what we can find. I've never been here. I've been to the falls, but we drove up there. So this trail, I didn't even know this existed. There's a higher trail. Oh, well, here's a bridge. Let's see where this leads us. Definitely over the river. Going up and over. Looks like there's a bit of some falls right there. I don't know if y'all can see that. I'm going to walk up that way. Nice old metalwood bridge. A little bouncy, but not too bad. Here's the other side of the river. Doesn't that just look refreshing? I think it looks wonderful. There's that big manzanita. Morning. We'll continue walking up the path and see what we can get into next. There's a lot of manzanita here. I like manzanita trees. Morning. This is small manzanita. Just a little small manzanita. There's some pretty good sized ones. Mostly small through here. So, my thoughts for today were to bring everybody out and film the falls. And that does not look like that's going to happen. So, this has turned into an impromptu nature hike. I don't intend to be on a long nature hike because I'm not really in shape. Spend the whole winter cooped up indoors. I got to where I wanted to be on the river. Unfortunately, I can't see it. Well, get out of the sun. Interesting rock. There's going farther up, keeps inclining. Way back there's the falls. There's the upper path. Let's see. Yeah, I'll take the upper path back. There's this little trail here. Oh, here we go. Not too sure that we're supposed to be up here, but signs are saying use alternate route. But whatever. I don't think they're going to take me to jail. Look at that. That's just beautiful. I don't know if you can see with the sun, but the cliff face right there. Damn diesel trucks. Sounded like someone was walking behind me. I turned around, there's nobody there. Kind of gave me a bit of the shivers. There's the path that came up on. And there's the bridge. Yeah, it's just awesome looking. I love the wilderness. Huh. Watch for horses. Horses, horses, horses. Well, there's the trail. I don't know where it goes. It gets steep really fast. So, we're going to pass that one on by. Yeah. It would be an interesting trail to go up, though. See if it leads anywhere, if it just goes up and stops. Looks like it might just go up and stop right up there. It's not about the trees to my right, so it doesn't really give you a good view over them. Well, that time there really was somebody behind me. Although I didn't hear her until she was already coming by waving. Obviously she's out here running, so she's gonna be sweating. I'm here in jeans and my moccasins and a t-shirt with a flannel thrown over it. It is a little chilly up here. Couldn't tell you how chilly. I don't know if my phone will tell me or not. I get signal. Let's just see. No, that's what? There we go. Showing I have signal. Oh, it's saying it's only 53. Just feels a little chillier. Maybe because the wind's blowing a bit up here. Another trail ahead of me. Again, I don't know where that goes, and I'm not really interested in doing a whole lot of hiking today. That was not my plan. Coming down here to where I parked.
Yeah, it's like
Does appear coming out in the morning was a good idea. Now everybody's starting to show up. Well, back to my truck now. Oh. I don't know if I'm going to be able to hold this and drive. I was thinking about checking out one more place, but it doesn't look very interesting, so I'll probably just go and turn around and head back. Anyhow, thanks for the journey. We will come back again, and hopefully I can get up to where it says yet road closed. That's where I needed to go to get up to the falls, but I can't get there, so maybe next time. We'll see. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell if you want to get notifications about every time that I post. Soon I'm going to be developing this further. I'm going to keep adding videos, keep adding content. Next week I think I'm going to go to Salt Lake City and walk around. But I'd really appreciate everybody that watches subscribing and liking or disliking if you need to. But either way, it helps. So thank you. Have a great day. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.